Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now, you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The Market Pulse is your real-time electrocardiogram for the markets. This powerful tool constantly reads the heartbeat of 4 major ETFs, giving you an instant sense of where momentum lives. In the upper left corner, 4 color-coded labels track QQQ, SPY, TLT and UVXY, 4 of the most watched ETFs that show bullish and bearish pressure across equities, bonds and volatility. QQQ mirrors the Nasdaq 100, glowing green when tech titans like Apple, Microsoft and Amazon drive the advance. That early indication of strength among major influential stocks often presages broader market moves. SPY reflects the S&P 500 across all 11 sectors, and when SPY turns green in tandem with QQQ, it signals a rally that has broken free of technology's boundaries. This simultaneous breadth confirms that buying interest is both deep and wide. TLT tracks 20-year treasuries. A downward shift in bond prices, coupled with rising yields, typically accompanies a rotation into longer-term equity positions. This would be shown as a red label for the TLT. Observing TLT's color shift helps identify where capital is flowing. UVXY tracks short-dated VIX futures, widely known as the fear gauge. When its label flashes green, volatility is surging, an early stress warning. When it shifts red, volatility is subsiding and markets are settling down. For long-term trading, high volatility is considered a risk and often leads to holding or selling of positions. For short-term trading, it can mean more profitable opportunities as the price action makes larger moves higher or lower. Behind every color transition lies a simple yet powerful calculation, comparing each ETF's close to its open over the chosen time frame. Short-term traders or scalpers will often use the market pulse on a 1 or 5 minute chart, while long-term traders or day traders will use the market pulse on a half-hour or greater time period. Traders watch for color-coded signals. Green signifies buyer dominance. Red reveals seller control, making the signals both transparent and intuitive. The strongest buy setup unfolds when QQQ and SPY align green, TLT softens, and UVXY remains muted, exposing the true pulse beneath every price move. Trading with these synchronized signals brings clarity and confidence to any market approach. This makes the market pulse an invaluable part of any trader's toolbox. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.